What's going on, everybody? And for this video, it's just going to be a quick update for the Keychron K6. So in my review and using this keyboard for 5 months, I haven't done any hot swapping. So I wanted to save this update for this video talking about the hot swap issue that I had when switching out my Keychron brown switches for my Novel Keys blueberry switches. So when attempting to remove the first row of switches, I noticed it was a little difficult to clamp on to the switch in the socket. So that's because my key switch puller is a little too thick to get in between the aluminum body and the switch. So pretty much I got a little frustrated with that, but I continue to be patient with the process because you don't want to damage your PCB and you don't want to damage the sockets in this particular keyboard. Now this is version 1 of the K6, so this could be fixed in their future versions when they're revising the build for this layout. One of the things I recommend is that you use a smaller key switch puller. This is the one I have that came with a different keyboard, so you can use something like this. That way you can get in between the body of the keyboard and the switch to pull it out gently. I do wish I would have experienced this for my review to include, but however, I still recommend this keyboard and it is still a great pickup if you're looking to utilize all the features that includes it. Now with your hot swap, that's something you will have to keep in mind, and remember to have a little bit of patience when you are removing a switch. So that's going to wrap it up for this quick update, you guys. I just wanted to include this information with a different video, but I will have my review link down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and let me know what your thoughts on this issue if you have experienced this. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.